Hello everyone. So in the last two videos we have clearly seen how this preset value or variable resistor values can be fixed, and by rotating this variable resistor the wiper is rotating, and you can see in for one side rotation slowly this what do you call voltage is increasing from 0 to 5 voltage. If you are rotating the other way around, slowly the voltage is decreasing from 5 to 0 voltage. So in other words, if you are rotating in one way, you will be seeing that your serial monitor value, analog value, will be going from 0 to 1023, slowly increasing. If you are rotating the other way around, you will see the analog value of your whatever the particular pin will be decreasing from 1023 to 0. Okay, you get it? Cool. So you may ask me a question: is A always should be 5 and is C always should be 0? No, it doesn't have to be that way. You can connect 0 to A to ground or 0, and you can connect C to 5 voltage. That is totally fine. Okay, if you are connecting this, the only change you will see is for this side rotation voltage will be increasing, for other side rotation voltage will be decreasing. Okay, the opposite way of the previous scenario. That is the only difference. Nothing will change. Okay, so you can switch the terminals, but when you switch, you should be aware that the rotation side, I mean the rotation direction, will reverse the scenario, increasing decreasing scenario. That's all you should know. Whenever we are rotating from 0 to 5 voltage side, we will be having the increasing voltage from the B pin. You will be getting increasing voltage. Whenever you are rotating from 5 to 0 direction, the B pin will have the voltage going down, decreasing. That means analog value will be decreasing. Okay guys, so I hope you understood it very well. So the wiper can be in any place according to your rotate, and also you can calculate whatever the particular voltage or particular analog value is coming to the pin B. Okay guys, totally cool, right? So let's have a small look on I hope you can do it by yourself in the Arduino. So what you have to do is take this pin, connect one side to 5 voltage, connect other side to 0, take the B pin at the middle pin and bring it to A0, and upload the same code you are using typically. Okay, you are reading the A0 analog value and you are serial printing this. That's all right. Okay, that's totally fine. So then once you have uploaded the code, put a small screwdriver inside this cross and rotate it in one direction very slowly, and you will be seeing that analog values are either increasing or decreasing slowly. Okay, in between 1023 to 0. So let's say you are rotating in decreasing side, you will be seeing analog values are going from 1023 to 0 slowly. Okay, then you rotate the other way around, 0 to 5 voltage side, and you will see analog values are increasing from 0 to 1023 slowly. Okay, so I strongly believe that you can do it with your Arduino very clearly, because you know which pin it has to go, which pin it has to go, and which pin it has to go. You may find some issues sometimes when you are connecting wires with that. You can use a breadboard, or you can sort it out by yourself, common sense. You can solder a wire if you want, or you can try something and you can sort it out, right? Only the connection you may find issues, because it may be a little bit hard to connect a wire to these pins. Okay, you can maybe create a knot using your wire metal part, and you cannot connect the knot here, or you can solder, or you can use a breadboard. Okay, that is a common sense. You can do it by yourself. Okay, so the rest is fine, right? So since I cannot show you a real Arduino demonstration, I will go for a Tinkercad demonstration as usual, but I am expecting you guys to do a real Arduino practical with this. Okay guys, so I have already a built-in Tinkercad scenario where the same thing is I am using, right? Here we have something called potentiometer. Potentiometer also the same thing. You can think like a variable resistor is a potentiometer. Okay, so let's say I'm using the same thing in a simulation environment. Okay, so this guy. Okay, so I can rotate this guy. Okay, now I cannot rotate. I can rotate only when it is starting simulation. So you can think this is A. Okay, this is A, this is C, and the middle one is as usual B. Okay, so I have connected my A to 5 voltage. You can see it very clearly, and I have connected to my C to ground. Okay, you can see this also very clearly. It is going to ground, and the middle is going to A0. See, totally fine, right? So now from your common sense you can see, so this is A going to 5 voltage, this is C going to 0 voltage, and this is the middle going to A0. Okay, so from this common sense you can say this is 5, this is 0, right? If I am rotating this way, so now this is this wiper. Okay, this is the wiper. This wiper is in the leftmost side, right? So now you can clearly say you are going to get 1023, because it is the 5 voltage. See, 5 voltage side. So if I rotate this way, okay, my arrow side, that means clockwise, it will slowly decrease, and when it is at the rightmost, I mean this point, y press this point, analog value is going to be 0 because 0 voltage will be there at the point B. Okay, then if I rotate the anti-clockwise, again the analog values will be increasing, and at the leftmost point here it will be 1023. Okay, so this is 5 voltage, this is 0 voltage, clear and obvious, right? So that's fine. So because I have connected this way, if I can switch the connections, okay, if I take this A and connect to ground, if I take this C pin connect to 5 voltage, this direction wise increasing decreasing will be reversed. That's all. Okay. So I will simply go for first I will just show you without having a serial monitor. I will show you, I am not opening the serial monitor, I will show you this can be rotatable, right? See, I can rotate this, right? I'm sorry guys, something is coming. Okay, just showing. Okay, I'll stop the simulation. Okay, I will open the code and I'll clear everything. Okay, so I will copy the code and paste anyway for our satisfaction. We'll copy the code and paste here. Okay guys, so now fine. Now I will do a small simulation and see the serial monitor. Okay, so now we are at the leftmost position where we are expecting a 1023 value, right? I'll open the code and I'll start the simulation. Okay. Let's see what happens. So you are seeing 1022 is in the serial monitor. Okay, so just ignore your 1023 is not there, though it is in the leftmost position. 1023 is not there. You can ignore the one value. Maybe there are some issues we don't know, but in the real world Arduino you will get 1023. Okay, so you can ignore and think 1022 as 1023. We are at the maximum point. Okay, now I'm going to rotate it slowly. See, I'm slowly rotating it. So you will see the values are changing, right? Going down, right? Again, okay, see, changing. So when I am taking my mouse click away only, it is changing actually. I don't know, some simulation environment issue, but in your real Arduino, if you are putting a screwdriver inside and rotating that variable resistor, that rotating, I mean put it inside the cross, I mean here, and if you rotate this part, you will really see the values are changing. Okay, so I will make a small movement again it is going down, right? Let's have somewhere here. So 511 is coming, right? So I am exactly at the middle point. We are seeing 511 is coming, and slowly I am decreasing. Okay, 409, I decreasing again. 307. I will take my arrow out. That's why then only it shows. 205, 246, and at the topmost point it is 1. Okay. So actually it should be 0, but it is showing 1. Again, ignore this. I don't know, maybe there are some simulation environment issues. It is showing 1. But in your real Arduino, you will be getting zeros. Okay guys. So again, I am rotating the other way around. Okay, it's increasing, right? 100. Again, okay. 266. Again in the middle, somewhere here. 491. Not exactly in the middle, right? Just try to have here. 511, exactly middle. Okay, again here 695, somewhere here 760. Okay, you can rotate like this. So it will keep increasing, and I will put it in the leftmost side. It will going to give us what's the value? 1022. So you understand this? Okay, so when you are rotating the real Arduino, you will see perfect examples, right? Okay, so what if I, okay, I'm not going to do it. Okay, what if I do it the other way around? Okay, so I will quickly try to do it. I don't know, I will have enough time. I will reverse the connections. Okay, so connect this one, okay, left side to ground first, ground, and I will connect the right side to 5 voltage. Okay guys, and then I am expecting it to be the other way around, right, if I am doing it. Okay, so I will again open the code and I will start the simulation. Okay, now you will see in the leftmost side it is 1. Okay, and if I am increasing, if I am rotating this way, it is increasing. I mean, showing the other way around. You see this guy? Okay guys, so if I rotate the other way around, it is decreasing. Okay, decreasing. So it is now working the other way around, right? As I said, if I switch the A and C terminals, it will work the other way around, as I explained, right? So you got it guys. So if you don't understand this point, you just have to think, because I explained it earlier. Okay guys, so I hope guys you understood this scenario very clearly. I will catch you up in the next video.